Guys, have you seen what's happening on the market today? So these candles are moving so aggressively that even experienced traders hesitate to enter. Can AI bots really handle this kind of volatility better than a human? Today we're testing a chart delay bot and see if it can actually survive this chaos. So let's get started with trading, and today we're trading using AI bot. This bot, guys, identifies chart delays on the bracket, and exactly today, we will test this bot, and just see how it handles today's market, today's movement, and we're gonna open trades on the stock market, and each trade will be open with 1 minute expiration time. And finally, my starting balance here is $1,500, and I think, guys, we will open each trade for approximately $500. Yep, and an excellent just amount selection for testing, I believe. And overall, we can begin and press start scanning and just wait for our first entry point there. Great, there is the first entry point, and this is downward trade and open this position. Yeah, the delay time is 66 seconds, guys. A good payout percentage on this currency pair, like 89% payout we have. The first trade is already open, and let's wait for result. Excellent, the first trade closes in profit. A good start and pretty confident position close, so the candle showed very good volumes and close at a very good level. So continue trading, guys, since the signal just closed in profit. And let's select the next entry point. Great, there is a new entry, and this is an upward trade. So we open this, and we just open that according to the direction of the actual trend dynamics. But there is a very strong volatility, very strong impulsive candles, quite a difficult trading situation for opening any position in any direction, in my opinion. But we'll see. The bull just gave the signal, and we have already opened the trade. So let's wait. And the second trade also closes in profit, guys. Excellent. So we continue trading and will not stop at this result. We continue testing and select the next signal, waiting for market analysis. Well, guys, don't forget to join my Telegram group, and also don't miss the chance to get deeper knowledge in trading and learn together with others. And you know just that I regularly share articles on various trading topics, updates from the trading world, and a bit of my lifestyle too. So I'm sure that you won't get bored there. And if you want to become a part of my team, I get an exclusive Traders Club where every trader receives personal trading advice and 24/7 support. So plus there is daily trading sessions with me and my team. So what should you do? To apply, just send me a private message with Rachel Club Plus, and either I or my manager will get back to you. So guys, now let's get back to trading. Great. The reason you point, the opening of the trade will be upward. The delay time was 67 seconds. Rather small recommended amount, only $63. Perhaps there is some mismatch in exchange information and also very difficult dynamics. Yeah, very difficult volatility for opening a position in any direction, in my opinion. And here, quite good analysis is needed to open a trade, but the bull just gave a signal and 30 seconds until the position closes. Let's watch the result. Hmm. Very strong volatility, guys, and unfortunately the trick lost right, even I would even say practically at the same opening level, but a bit unlucky there. Perhaps some inaccuracy occurred in the signal, and as you can see, the volatility itself is very heavy. So nothing to worry about. Yep. Overall, we have a good start, and we fix profit on the balance, and we continue testing. So let's select the next entry point. Nice. So we just got it. There is a new signal. And here our position will be opened downward. Damn, look at how volatile the trades are today, guys. Very short volumes. just appearing in the trend and quite a difficult picture for the analysis. Mm. Because guys, here you need to just resort to indicators and technical analysis, but instead of the bot analyzes all of this for us, still I'm just inclined to think that here is very complex movement dynamics. Perhaps the chart will close into the red, but we'll see. There are about 15 seconds left, and let's watch the trade. Let's watch for result. And yes, guys, unfortunately, the position closes into the red, and we now move into the small minus on the balance. So nothing worry, guys. Just essentially we have two positive and two negative trades. So far, nothing is clear. Therefore, we'll continue trading, and let's select the next signal. Right, the reason you entry point, an amazing payout percentage. So opening a trade upward. And again, yeah, just look at the very difficult dynamics on the chart, guys. It's very unclear what is happening with the movement today, but you know, by the way, I analyzed this market earlier during this morning trading session. Then I just also came in during the day to look at the charts before the stream, and indeed the volatility is very heavy, and now it has just worsened very much. Wow, about 25 seconds until the end, and let's watch the results. Excellent, guys. So the trade closes in profit. So we're moving to the profit on the balance in the amount of $235. So we go on our trading and select the next entry point. Right, there is a new entry point, and this is an upward trade. Guys, but just look at how volatile the chart is. That's like, damn. Practically every asset on every currency pair will have some kind of incredible movement dynamics. And in fact, with such movement dynamics, it seems to me it's very difficult even to analyze the market and give the correct direction because just really incredible movement dynamics. You just can observe these impulses, and this does not seem like trading is currently present on the charts. This is overall just such dynamics. Perhaps there are few sell trades here, yep, and we see just rising volume. So we have about 5 seconds until the end, and the current trade also closes in profit. Excellent, guys, excellent. So the bull just handled the signal, yep, and just perfectly on the such volatility indicated the correct direction. And yeah, so let's go on, continue our testing, and let's select the next entry and waiting for analysis. Good, there is a new signal, and this is like the short position, yep, and also the volatility, yep, guys. Of course, I already just said everything in the same strong volatility. By the way, here in the bot caught a good resistance area on this currency pair, and most likely for a 56 seconds ahead, we'll have a pullback in the dynamics. So let's watch the result. And indeed, we saw this pullback in the dynamics, and we have another positive trade, guys. So excellent. There is a good profit in the amount of almost $900, an amazing result. But still, we continue trading and continue up. Just select the next signal, and again waiting for analysis of currencies. Gray, there is a new signal, and we open an upward trade, and the delay time here is 64 seconds. Yep, the recommended amount just is 198. Again, the volatility is just incredible here. Just some candles even open with a gap. Very strong volatility. Let's watch the result. So far, everything is good. We have 30 seconds until the end. And another profitable position, guys. Amazing. Just look at the chart dynamics now, guys. With such kind of volatility, if you can afford to open trades, even an, an experienced trader, but overall the bot handled it perfectly. And let's, guys, probably open one more trade. I think this will be the final trade. So let's select a new one and waiting for the analysis. Great, we got it. An opening downward trade, and we open the position. Yep, the delay time is 66 seconds there. Recommended amount is quite small, only $95. Perhaps there is some inaccuracy in more quote providers, and therefore the bull just gave not a very large amount, but we'll see what comes out of this in about 30 seconds until the end. And unfortunately, here we record another red trade. There was suddenly a good potential for closing, yeah, but as you can see, guys, the volatility is just unreal. And overall, I already said that even AI bots cannot handle such movement perfectly, but to finish the trading session on a negative trade, honestly, I don't really want to. Yep, so let's try to open one more trade. If it closes into the red, okay, so I hope that will not happen. And just okay, guys, let's wait for a new signal and waiting for analysis. And great, there is an entry point and opening upward trade there. But it seems to me that here the bot just made a mistake because, in my opinion, previously we saw very strong upward volumes and a global high is being updated, and there should be an credible pullback downward, and correction should be present, in my opinion. But for sure, the bot gave $238, I think, as the recommended opening amount. Quite a good one, and it's really interesting what will come out of this in about 25 seconds until the end. Let's watch the results. So, and the trade is closed. The just break even. Yep. Well, okay, we didn't go into the minus like on the trade app into the red. I didn't record profit on the trade, although there was potential for closing the trade in profit. So just incredible impulse at the end of the trade. Completion, the candle showed, yeah, perhaps here I just maybe I'll open the trade somewhat slowly. Yeah, I needed to react faster because this is the main key in trading chart delays. So every second just matters there. But anyway, guys, the result satisfies me more than just enough. Yep. Excellent. And we fixed the profit based on testing this board, and let's go to the withdrawal tab. We'll withdraw to Bitcoin and the amount is $750. By the way, I think that's pretty good. Yep. And we enter the wallet address and now enter the Google Authenticator code. Yep. I'm just click there, continue, and yeah, so the withdrawal operation is successfully executed, guys. So that was today's session, guys. The volatility was honestly insane. But the bots still managed to close the trades in profit, and we fixed the result and successfully made a withdrawal. So that's what really matters. And as a final, the numbers speak for themselves. So insane. And guys, if you have any troubles and any question you just got during the watching this video, go to the description of this one. You'll find all the necessary links exactly to my Telegram where you can message me right now. So go there and check it out and see you.